Pharmaceuticals are an important aspect of the healthcare system, enabling people and families to live healthy, happy, and more productive lives. For over 80 years, Morison has pioneered pharmaceutical manufacture in Sri Lanka, investing in the best of people, processes, and technology. Since inception in 1937, Morison has provided trusted, high-quality and efficacious medicines to both the public and private sectors, making premium healthcare affordable to Sri Lankans of all ages and socio-economic classes. We work with an extensive distribution network which reaches over 10,000 doctors, 3,500 pharmacies and 30,000 trade outlets island-wide. Morison is a subsidiary of Hemas Holdings PLC, contributing to the group's purpose of making healthful living happen through the manufacture and import of high-quality generic, branded generic, and over-the-counter pharmaceutical products. We manufacture 75 different formulations of medicine and over-the-counter products in our facilities. The first Morison factory in Mutwal launched in 1959, pioneering Sri Lankan pharmaceutical manufacture. Our newest facility in Homagama is another step in our journey to develop the local pharmaceutical manufacturing industry to cater to growing local demand, whilst helping catapult Sri Lanka onto the global pharmaceutical manufacturing stage. Located within the Sri Lanka Institute of Nanotechnology's Nanotechnology and Science Park in Pitipana, Homagama, the new 125,000 square foot Morison facility will be the first European Union Good Manufacturing Practice compliant oral solid dosage pharmaceutical manufacturing plant in Sri Lanka. The Morison Homagama factory is equipped with state-of-the-art production lines which minimize human intervention to increase safety. The facility features advanced R&D infrastructure and international-level quality control labs. Morison works with the Sri Lanka Institute of Nanotechnology for novel research and product development to create innovative pharmaceutical solutions that will increase the country's potential as a global pharmaceutical supplier. Employing over 500 professionals across our business, we continuously invest in training and development of our people, bringing in international pharmaceutical experts and global partners to add expertise to our team, making us a preferred employer in the industry. Careers with Morison provide invaluable opportunities for local graduates to receive world-class training and exposure, strengthening the overall industry's talent base and potential. Our people are committed to ensuring we deliver products which meet the highest international standards. Every day, we live the Morison values which guide our decisions and developments. Across our 8 decades in local pharmaceutical manufacturing, we have invested in developing all aspects of the industry from production to R&D, quality assurance, lean manufacturing, information systems, talent management, and community improvement activities. We will continue to move forward, innovating and producing high-quality pharmaceuticals for Sri Lanka and beyond, making premium healthcare affordable.